here's what I feel like you need to do in this, and this is something I feel like I learned the hard way, is like I look at kids that graduated from my program and they were maybe the best ones, and then they got on college teams and got way more challenged and moved up a level. I felt guilty that because I was waiting for those intermediate kids to catch up to them, unfortunately those top kids were stagnating. So now what I try to do is divide into groups and work, like we practice, at the school sometimes and at the studio sometimes, at the elementary school, but I will break them in. Okay, these guys are going in the hall to work on XYZ. These guys are staying in the gym to work on this. You guys are over here working on this, because I want them all to feel challenged. And so that's a really good question, is you do have to work, you have to notice all your kids and work them where they're at, but you cannot slow down for the beginners. You just can't at a varsity level. That's where I would assign mentors. If you have some rookie kids that are not very good right now, which everyone does, assign some mentors, like a big sister, a little sister. I don't do that so they give them a fluffy teddy bear or whatever. I do it so they're gonna help them get their turns better. Now, I had an interesting thing. I had a gymnast move over from gymnastics because they weren't really liking the coach. So they switched to dance, and she's like, OMG good, but she had never turned. So I'm assigning her with, because like, you guys, she can jump. Like, I'm like, yes, I got 2 of them. And I'm so excited, but they can't turn. So now I'm having somebody give them crash courses in turning, like some of the vet turners. And I go, get together with Quinn, get together with this person, so that you can get it. So if you can do some stuff like that, we call it spreading the love on our team. So if you're the best kicker on the team, work with the kick kids. If you're the best, whatever it is, work with them.